a Kids Wild Ride production.
Last bag of Cheetos. If you pass my quiz, I'll let you have it all to yourself. Okay, Buzz Lightyear or Woody?
Buzz Lightyear.
Did you hear that, Buzz? I sure did, Woody. I'm Liam's favorite toy. No! That's the last bag of Cheetos! I'm starving.
Dill pickles or sweet pickles?
Sweet pickles.
Buzz, you be the lookout. I'm gonna sneak over and get those chips.
Okay, Batman or Superman?
Batman.
Right on, Liam. I'm Batman.
Minecraft or Terraria?
Terraria.
Okay, basketball or baseball?
Baseball.
Buzz Lightyear to Woody. Come in. Roger, Buzz. I'm in position. Start sneaking.
Hershey bar or Hershey squirts?
Hershey ball.
Tell me when it's clear. I have one shot with the grappling hook. They're not looking, Woody. Go for it. Bullseye. Now to just get the snacks on over.
Final question, Juliet or OJ?
Juliet.
Well, I'd hate to tell you, but you lost. So the Cheetos are mine.
Woody, that was an excellent shot. Now let's sneak off before they notice the chips are gone.
Oh man, not again. Why do snacks keep disappearing?
I don't know.
Well, I don't know. I'm going downstairs to get another snack.
Well, Woody, looks like we tricked Owen again. That was a close one, Buzz. It sure was, but nothing like sharing Cheetos with a friend. Thanks, Buzz. And you too, Liam.
Thanks, buddy.